What would happen if the moon suddenly started falling toward Earth? Not slowly, but directly. A collision between Earth and the moon would release more energy than every nuclear weapon ever built, millions of times over. And the consequences would completely reshape our planet. But surprisingly, Earth might actually survive. If the moon began falling toward Earth, scientists would notice immediately. The moon controls the tides of our oceans and stabilizes Earth's rotation. As it moved closer, tides would become enormous. Coastal cities around the world would experience massive floods. Waves hundreds of meters high would crash into continents. But this would only be the beginning. The moon's gravity would begin tearing at Earth itself. Tectonic plates would shift violently. Earthquakes stronger than anything in human history would shake the planet. Volcanoes would erupt across entire continents. The closer the moon gets, the worse everything becomes. Eventually, the moon would reach something called the Roche limit. This is the distance where gravity from Earth becomes so strong that it literally pulls the moon apart. The moon wouldn't hit Earth as one solid object. Instead, it would break apart into billions of fragments. And those fragments would begin raining down onto Earth. Imagine the worst meteor storm in history. Now, multiply it by millions. Chunks of the moon, kilometers wide, would slam into the planet. Each impact would release energy equal to thousands of nuclear bombs. Entire regions of Earth would be vaporized instantly. The atmosphere would ignite with heat and shock waves. The sky would glow red for days. The impacts would trigger global wildfires. Dust and debris would shoot into the atmosphere, blocking sunlight. Earth would enter a catastrophic impact winter. Temperatures would collapse. Most life on the surface would struggle to survive. But the destruction isn't over yet. Not all of the moon would fall to Earth. Some debris would remain trapped in orbit. For a short time, Earth might have something incredible. A ring system, just like Saturn. Billions of moon fragments circling the planet, but gravity would slowly pull them down. Over thousands of years, they would continue falling to Earth. Despite the unimaginable destruction, Earth itself would survive. Planets are incredibly resilient. The surface would be completely reshaped. New oceans might form. New continents could appear. Life would eventually return. But the night sky would never be the same again, because the moon would be gone forever. The moon may seem calm and distant, but it plays a crucial role in stabilizing Earth's climate and rotation. Without it, our planet would be a very different place. Thankfully, the moon isn't going anywhere anytime soon. But imagining these cosmic disasters reminds us just how fragile our world really is.